Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed On, and today I'm going to show you the complete dashboard that I use to track all of the progress of my complete outbound sales activity that I run for Oracle Sales. So basically how this works is that this is one holistic view of the complete outbound sales process, which comprises of heavy amount of email marketing plus LinkedIn prospecting that I do to basically generate multiple types of leads for different Oracle products. So this includes campaigns done for Oracle on-prem to cloud application projects. This includes FTE position placements on different types of support and upgrade and migration type of projects. This includes all different types of campaigns for Oracle Fusion applications, integrations, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, so on and so forth. This specific dashboard is right now showing you the complete progress of campaigns through the year 2023 and onwards into 2024. So if you look at, for example, this specific report here, if you can see my cursor, this shows the data that was imported into the Salesforce CRMs. So on a weekly or a monthly basis, there's thousands of leads that I import from Zoom Info, from LinkedIn, from Lead 411, and all of those different types of data sources into the Salesforce CRM. Now, what Salesforce CRM allows me to do essentially is send out 5,000 emails per day to any type of audience. So using one Salesforce account, I could send out to 5,000, but if I have multiple accounts, I can reach out to more companies and more prospects in a given month or a given week or a given quarter. So all of that data is pushed into Salesforce CRM, and then emails are sent out. Once the emails are sent out, there's a lot of different types of responses. So if you look at this report, it's going to show you that, okay, I've got working leads, I've got future interest that I'm going to touch base in the next 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, which essentially is my pipeline. And then there's interest, not interested at the moment type of leads, which I'm going to nurture with different case studies and different types of things. There's some unsubscribes, people not interested. There's working after discovery calls, which essentially are the sales qualified leads or opportunities that I'm working on, and referred workings, and so on and so forth. So once I get these marketing qualified leads, or what I call them MQLs, I then set up discovery calls with them. So out of those MQLs, obviously a certain number falls through the cracks, but then a certain number converts into discovery calls. So if you can look at different months and you can see, okay, I got 12 or 10 discovery calls in the month of February, and then I got the maximum in April and May, which was 17 calls. And then out of all of this activity in terms of numbers, if I try to track that, over the course of 9 months, which essentially is starting from February all the way to October, I was able to generate 613 leads through the complete process. So out of those 613 leads or MQLs, 110 actually showed up on calls. And then out of those 110 that people that showed up on calls, I got 30 opportunities. So the way I distinguish opportunity essentially is if they fulfill the band criteria, which is if they have the budget to buy the Oracle services or product that we're providing, they have the authority, the person that I'm talking to essentially can make up the decisions. They have the resource, and then the timeline for the decision making is within the next 90 days. So essentially 3 months. So that is what I call an opportunity. So I got 30 opportunities, and out of those 30 opportunities, I closed 7 accounts, which converted into $758,000 over the course of 1.5 year or 2 years type of a period. Since if you take into account that in the first year, the accounts come in and they are typically smaller engagements. But if you keep on serving them, the lifetime value of that account really grows up. So over the course of 2023 and 2024, I've been able to successfully serve these customers and convert them into $758,000 of revenue, of actual revenue that we have converted and got that billed against these customers that I closed. So if you're looking for something like this, let's talk. I may be able to help you set up all of these processes. I'm also going to create different types of videos to help create this step-by-step methodology, which any company that is working in the Oracle field can replicate in their company to be able to consistently close revenue through email marketing, through LinkedIn prospecting, so that you don't have to overly rely on Oracle and can do your own demand generation and close business on an ongoing basis. Hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.